In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar date picker in Google Sheets, an incredibly useful feature that can help streamline your data entry process. This step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly integrate a date picker into your spreadsheet, ensuring accuracy and efficiency in your work. So, let's dive right into it. First, you want to open a Google Sheet. It doesn't matter if it's an existing file or a new one. Both work just fine. Once your Google Sheet is open, go ahead and select the cell where you'd like the date picker to appear. This might be a cell where you track deadlines, due dates, or any other date-specific information that requires easy access to a calendar. Now, in the selected cell, type the @ symbol or @ followed by the word date. This little gesture triggers Google Sheets to recognize that you want to work with dates. As you type this, you'll notice an autocomplete function kicking in, making it even simpler to get to the next step. With the word date highlighted in the suggestions, simply click on it. This is where the magic happens. Once you click on date, Google Sheets inserts a smart chip, which is essentially a prompt that allows you to pick a date from a calendar. Instead of typing out the date manually, which can sometimes lead to errors in formatting, this intuitive method ensures you get it right the first time. Next, you'll see the calendar picker pop up. This is an easy-to-use calendar interface. To select a date, simply navigate through the calendar by month and click on the specific day you want. The date you select will then automatically populate the cell. This feature not only enhances precision, but also increases productivity, reducing the likelihood of errors. That's all there is to it. You've now added a convenient calendar date picker to your Google Sheet. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference in managing data efficiently. Whenever you need to enter a date, just follow these simple steps and you'll have it done in seconds. Hopefully, this guide has shown you just how user-friendly and powerful Google Sheets can be. Utilizing the calendar date picker can save you considerable time and increase the reliability of your data. Whether you're tracking projects, schedules, or personal tasks, this feature is sure to make your experience smoother and more efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps to streamline your workflow in Google Sheets. Don't forget to check out more videos for additional tips and tricks to enhance your Google Sheets skills.